Hello good day viewers, welcome back once again. Today we're going to solve for the value of x and y in the following given systems of equations. We have x plus y equals 3, and here we have x times y is equal to negative 5, right? Now from this we call this our equation 1, and we call this our equation 2. Then from equation 1, let us solve for x in terms of y. So that is going to give us x is equal to 3 minus y. Now this equation here, we call it our equation 3. Okay, now with this value for x in terms of y, let us make a substitution in equation 2, replacing x with this value. So from equation 2, we have x times y. This is equal to negative 5. Now here, we remove this x and we put the value for x in terms of y. So that will become 3 minus y multiplied by y. Then this is equal to negative 5. Actually, we can write this as y into bracket 3 minus y. Then this is equal to negative 5. Okay, so from here, y times 3 is 3y. Y times negative y is negative y squared. And this is equal to negative 5. Okay, now let's go ahead and multiply both sides by negative 1. So if you multiply this side by negative 1, the signs will change, right? So negative 1 times positive 3y will give us negative 3y. Negative 1 times negative y squared will give us positive y squared. This will be equal to negative 1 times negative 5 will give us positive 5. So now we can write this as y squared, then minus 3y. This 5 is positive, so if it's crossing over, it will become negative. So we have negative 5, then this is equal to 0. So from here, let us use the general quadratic formula. So this is a quadratic equation. So we have y is equal to negative b. Remember, b here is negative 3. A there is the coefficient of the leading term, which is 1. And c is the constant, which is the negative 5. So negative b in this case is going to be positive since b is negative. So just like negative minus 3, negative times negative will become plus. So we have positive 3, right? So here we have 3 plus or minus square root of b squared will be negative 3 squared. The power is even, so we're expecting a positive outcome, right? So negative 3 squared is 9. Then minus 4 times a times c. 4 times a is 4 times 1, which is 4. 4 times c is 4 times negative 5, which is negative 20. So here we have negative 20. Then the whole of this divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 1, 2. So this will equal to 3 plus or minus. The square root of this will become 9 plus 20, right? Then divided by 2. So from here we get y is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 29 divided by 2, right? So we can see we have two values for y. So one is 3 plus square root of 29 divided by 2, and the other one is 3 minus square root of 29 divided by 2. Okay, now let's recall that x is equal to 3 minus y, right? So here we have these two cases. When y is equal to, we can split this denominator, and that will become 3 over 2 plus root of 29 divided by 2. This is our case 1, and our case 2, when y is equal to 3 minus, 3 over 2, minus root of 29 over 2. So here, when y is equal to this, x will become 3 minus y, which is 3 minus the value for y, 3 over 2 plus root of 29 divided by 2. So from here, this is equal to 3 minus 3 over 2 minus root of 29 over 2. Obviously, 3 is same as 6 over 2. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So we have just 3 over 2, then minus square root of 29 over 2. So this is telling us that when y is equal to 3 over 2 plus root of 29 over 2, then x will be the conjugate form of it. So without even wasting our time, we can see that the conjugate form of this will be 3 over 2 plus root of 29 over 2. Okay, now so here we have the following solution sets for x and y. So we have the first set of solution when x is equal to this, y is equal to this. So that is 3 minus root of 29 all over 2. Y will be the conjugate 3 plus root of 29 over 2. And we have the other one, the conjugate of the first value for x. Then when x is equal to this, then y will be 3 minus root of 29 over 2. And here we have the solutions. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Bye bye.